Israel-led genocide on Palestinians. And ito ay nakaroot sa apartheid, no, na ongoing for 78 years now. And so yung apartheid system ng Israel ay mas nagpapalala ng ongoing na genocide na ginagawa din ng Israel against Palestinians. And even there's also an 18-year blockade on humanitarian aid. So it worsens, so patong-patong na human rights violations and international war crimes yung nangyayari sa Palestinians. And the world is just looking at it, and some states are tolerating it. And even the United Nations cannot do really something about it. No? There's sanctions, but Israel won't follow the sanctions. So it's a live genocide happening, and the world is not doing enough to end the suffering of Palestinians in Gaza.
Ma'am, follow up, ma'am. Why is it that Israel continues to do that, ma'am? Bakit powerless ang mundo?
Because Israel is backed by even more powerful countries like the USA and the UK. So the genocide is happening because some countries are also complicitly arming Israel to continue its genocide against Palestinians, and even surveillance technologies are being flowed into their country. So, yeah.
Technology giants, Microsoft, Google, they're having their AI being used by Israel.
Some reports have confirmed that they are their technology is being used.
Okay. Salamat po.